What's good, y'all boys? Today I got a custom sound pack for y'all boys, and yeah, this how it sound like. Alright, y'all boys, so yeah, that's how the sound pack sound. And you know, I'm gonna show you how to install it and where to find it. Alright, let's go. Alright, y'all boys, how to install. You wanna go to the link in the description for the Discord. You wanna scroll down to where it says ZLeaks Realistic, go to sound pack, and you wanna it's gonna be here when the video drops. You wanna click the download button. It's gonna take you to here. You're gonna download it. Alright, once you download it, you're gonna have it here. You're gonna open it up. And it's gonna have this right here. You're gonna open this up. Alright, once you get here, you're gonna open Steam, left click on Grand Theft Auto, manage, browse local files, go to x64, audio, SFX, and I drag both of these things in there, and click replace. And that's it, bro. That's how you install it. The easiest shit ever, you know? Alright, bet, bro. See y'all boys later. Bye.
I want to reach 1 million likes. So please, subscribe. Yes.
Wristwater, I can't see the time, but I'm having the time of my life. Chris Paul, the game on the line, I'm dropping the dime on him. I'm fried, but I'm taking a nip. About to be out of my mind. I'm trying to change for the better. It's driving me fucking insane. Hey.